one of sports' most historic franchises. Generations of fans have come through the cold night air so many times, as they have tonight to Toronto, to see another opening face-off nearing for the Maple Leafs. Hi, everybody. Along with Eddie Olczyk, Mike Emmerich. Original six. How does that strike you?
The founding fathers of the National Hockey League, when you think about an original six, Doc, and there always seems to be a different feel in the original six buildings when these six teams get an opportunity to play against each other. Pacioretty's a passionate player, and that's one of the big reasons why he's got that C on that beautiful sweater.
We direct our attention to the nets and the starting goalies. Jonathan Bernier, the netminder tonight, won a Stanley Cup with Los Angeles, led the American Hockey League in Manchester with 9 shutouts, and was a 3-year member of the Lewiston team in the Quebec Major Junior League. Carey Price gets the call in goal, still in his 20s and racking up credentials. Olympic gold, NHL All-Rookie team, winning as goalie in the NHL, and led his team in Hamilton to the American Hockey League Championship. Opening face-off is just seconds away. Kadri's ready for the opening face-off for Toronto. Desharnais there for the Canadiens. And we are underway. First period of action, and there'll be plenty of action between these two. Slides it to the point to Phaneuf. Great glove grab. And here is the third voice of our crew, the man in the coldest place, ice side, Ray Ferraro.
Edzo, you're right. It is the pulse of the National Hockey League. These 6 teams form the cornerstones of what this league was built on. There is something exciting about the fact that you get to play against them. Heck, you got to play on 3 of those teams. What an honor that must have been. Heck, I played on 3 teams that don't even exist anymore. I would have loved one crap to play on one of those.
Okay, Ray, keep listening down there. The Leafs prevailing on the faceoff. Montreal's in control of the puck through center. Full steam up the wing. Gets in. What'll he do? Great poke check. It all alone. Wonderful stop by Bernier. The Maple Leafs through the neutral zone continue on. And it's corralled in the defensive zone by Plekanec. Passing one off now to Galchenyuk. Out in the slot. Score!
This puck was always in a shooting position. What a great play.
Well, the goaltender wants to be aggressive here, but this is just perfectly delivered.
The Leafs lead is now 1. Lots of time remaining.